Hello, good day. My name is Mario Loda. I'm the export manager for Oehlbach. And I want to take the chance to introduce to you the news we have and we introduced during the IFA show in Berlin. We are introducing this year a new segment which is called for headphones. And there are various products coming all around headphone business. For example, we have our new headphone amplifier with built-in a digital analog converter. It's a Burr Brown converter. You see on the back side the USB in, it's optical in. It's all gold-plated connectors, very good quality, a Burr Brown. In the front we have two headphone outs connections, and it will be available in silver and in black color. We introduce as well in the same family and the same cabinet design an XXL Phono PreAmp. There's a brushed aluminum front, golden connectors on the back side, MM and MC switchable. For headphones, to store the headphones properly, we will introduce a real head as a headphone stand. So we use the Oehlbach logo, the head, and you can place your headphone properly. It will be available in black and in white color. Beside that, we will introduce acrylic stands for the headphones as well. So they're really nice material, thick material, even with holes to absorb sweat and to store your headphone in a nice way. It's like a part of the interior in your living room, for example, beside an amplifier, etc. Besides the traditional cable accessory assortment, we introduce several solutions for connections and converters. For example, we have the new family here in nice metal housings. The first two samples are converters from optical to coaxial, optical in, coaxial conversion. And the other way around, coaxial to optical, in and outs. Then we have HDMI splitter 1 to 2. One HDMI in, two HDMI out on the other side. As well, we have HDMI switchers. 3 HDMI in, 1 out to a source with remote control. We have an opto selector 4 to 1 with the possibility to connect 4 units with optical digital and 1 out, as well with remote control. And last but not least, we have a product called Audio XT, which means audio extractor. So for example, to connect a Blu-ray player with a projector, you do it normally with HDMI, but inside the HDMI is the video and the audio signal. But you want the audio signal going through an AV receiver and then to the speakers. So we need a solution to go in with both signals, video and audio, with the HDMI in. And inside, the signals are splitted. So the audio signal is extracted and you go out with optical digital directly to the AV receiver. And the HDMI out is used for the video signal directly to a projector. So we have here the power assortment of Oehlbach, where you can see the power sockets in 3 different types. We have the power socket 905 in black and in white glossy lacquer here. All golden connectors, switchable on-off, detachable power cord, so that you can even adjust the length of your needed power cord. Then the medium here is the aluminum body. It's really nice brushed aluminum. There's 2 sections. It's called analog and digital section. So when you have digital sources like Blu-ray players or DVD players, you can have 2 different sections which are individually switchable on and off if you don't need one. We have USB chargers for devices which are charged by USB. You have, when you see on the side, we have the detachable power cord, so you can decide if you have 1.5 meters, 2 meters or 3 meters length. It's really to make it customized for your circumstances in the living room. If the power socket goes into protection mode, you can reset it in a simple way that you can reset it yourself. You don't have to give it to a service department or something like that. and the top of the range is the power socket 909 with a silver front, and on the other hand side you see the back of the unit. You have the black version, so you have pure analog and digital filters built in. There's a time delay while switching it on to avoid peaks, power peaks. All sockets are individually connected, 3.3 square millimeter cables, so it's a high quality power socket assortment of Oehlbach. And power socket 908 is a configuration that you have on two sides. On two sides, the possibility to connect power devices on power plugs. All golden plated connectors. There's a polarity control. There's a protection mode. If this goes into protection, is illuminated there as well. And here as well, detachable power cords. These were the news from the IFA, and I hope that you will enjoy our products in your market. And I say thank you for today. Спасибо большое.